Do you want to know how you can log into your QuillBot account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your QuillBot account. Go ahead and open QuillBot.com on your browser, and then you can see this profile looking option on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and click on login/signup. Go ahead and select any of these medias like Google, Facebook and Apple. You can choose whichever is easier for you, or you can also use your email. So after you click on use with Google, go ahead and select your Google account. You can see that you are logged into your QuillBot account using your Google account. And there you go. This is how you log into your QuillBot account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.